Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope our students are good. This is my YouTube channel English with Dundin and I discussed descriptive essays. Essays कैसे लिखते हैं और essays का क्या रूल होता है वो मैं आज समझाने लगी हूँ. Descriptive essays is meant to show the reader through the use of illustrative language. कौन सी language? Illustrative language. Something that the writer has experienced. Writing teacher often instruct their student, so do not tell. This means that writer you should strive to create a picture in the minds of their readers rather than simply telling their readers about the setting, the characteristics, etc. For example, I mean, a writer could directly tell the reader that it was raining, but it would be more effective to show the reader that it was running by using specific details and descriptive language. Good writers are able to create such effective description that their readers feel like they are experiencing the subject matters firsthand. How Next, how to write an essay. The basic steps for how to write an essay are: the first is generate idea essay and pick a type of essay to write. Second, outline your paragraph by paragraph. Third is write a rough first draft without worrying about details like word choice or grammar. The fourth is edit your rough draft and revise and fix the details. Fifth is review your essay or topics, mistakes and other problems. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और ऐसे की अच्छी तैयारी करें. आपकी प्यारी मिस डंडिन.